Looking for a super healthy, delicious snack that's packed with nutrients and perfect for winters? Today on Sugar and Spice Diaries, I'm sharing the ultimate traditional Panjiri recipe. It's a recipe that not only tastes amazing, but also boosts your energy and immunity. Let's dive in. Panjiri is a classic winter delight in South Asian households. It's not just a treat, it's a superfood rich in dry fruits, nuts, and desi ghee that keeps you warm and strong during chilly days. Perfect for new moms, growing kids, and even as a festive snack. Today, I'll show you how to make it in an easy and foolproof ingredients. Here's what you'll need for this delicious panjiri. 1 cup semolina, suji, 1 cup desi ghee, clarified butter, 1 cup sugar or powdered jaggery, ghee, 1/2 cup almonds, chopped, 1/2 cup cashews, chopped, 1/2 cup walnuts, crushed, 1/4 cup melon seeds, magas, 1/4 cup edible gum, gond, 1/4 cup black raisins, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, elaichi. Make sure everything is fresh to get the best flavor. Step-by-step process simplified. Roast the dry fruit, set aside. Toast the gond and black raisin, toast the suji, then mix everything well. With sugar or gaggery, once cooled, transfer the panjiri to an airtight container. It stays fresh for weeks and can be enjoyed as a snack or dessert anytime. Wasn't that easy? This traditional panjiri recipe is not only nutritious, but also so satisfying to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe